Good afternoon, all of you. Let us start. Last time we discussed about the non-homogeneous differential equation case number first. Yes. In that, our first function means the equation in terms of what is the non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so the differential equation in terms of what? dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c2. So if the equation in the form of this one, if the equation in the form of this one, then if in the case first, if the ratio of a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, if this case exists, then something common factor in numerator and denominator, something common in numerator and denominator, then try to take that common factor, put that common factor as u or v or any variable that you want, put that common factor as a dummy variable u. Then just simplify. We try to convert the given differential equation in terms of homogeneous differential equation. We try to convert this homogeneous differential equation in terms of variable separable form, and we just integrate. We got the required answer. What about the case second? Case second काय सांगते? Case second is what? When a1 upon a2, that ratio b1 upon b2 is not equal to. When this ratio is not equal to, then we solve this equation by using the case second. We just put that x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, and just simplify. I think theory behind this case two already were covered in last lecture. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we see the example on this case number second. So write on the example number, what is the numbering? I think fifth one, na? Yes.
5.
Okay. Okay. Solve. dy by dx x plus 2y minus 3 divided by 2x plus y minus 3. Okay, solve. Dy by dx equal to x plus 2y minus 3, 2x plus y minus 3. Okay. So just we have solved this example. This is what? This is non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation. So here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. मग काय करणार? We just replace, put x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to y plus k. As we write on the yesterday theory, same process we are doing here. Okay, just constantly see all this step. So we got that just a small y. Okay, just we are got to the here. Okay. dy by dx is equal to capital Y by x. So we are given equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes what is the equation 1 we got? What is the equation 1 becomes? Yes, d times capital Y upon dx is equal to x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. या y चा अगर y plus k टाका, we got 2y plus 2k minus 3 as it is. Whole divided by 2 times x plus h plus simple y plus k minus 3. Okay. Now we combine the term of variable and combine the term of constant. So we got that dy by dx equal to x plus 2y plus h plus 2k minus 3 divided by 2x plus y plus 2h plus k minus 3. Give as equation number 2. Up to this, any problem? Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
No, sir.
Now, what is the next step? What is the next step? For finding h and k. बरोबर है? For finding h and k, we put that constant equal to
0.
okay, h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. That is, we got the two equation, that is h plus 2k is equal to 3. Give as equation number 3rd, and 2h plus k is equal to 3. Give as equation number 4. Okay. So we got the two equations, that both two equations are simultaneous. We just solve the simultaneous equation. We have find the value of h and k. So directly answer h and k लिहिलं तरी चालतं, त्याला जास्त टाइम घालायची गरज नाहीये. किंवा तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचं असलं तर सॉल्व करा. By using calculator we can find the value of h and k, or just we are simplify 3 minus equation 4 multiplied by 2. So to get the equation, we got that yes, h plus 2k equal to 3, then 4h plus 2k equal to 6. Just take the subtraction. What is subtraction we got? Minus 3h is equal to minus 3. This implies h is equal to 1, and when you put the value of h is equal to 1 in any equation, either 3 or 4, we got the k is also 1. So h and k we got. Now equation 2 becomes equation 2 upon परत rewrite करूया. So the equation 2 becomes dy by dx equal to, yes. What about the equation 2 becomes? Yes. X plus capital 2y plus 2 times capital X plus y. बरोबर आहे? h1 टाकला, k1 टाकला. This whole term becomes 0. Already we just put here, na? H plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0, 2h plus k minus 3 equal to 0. From this equation, we got this equation. Okay. Which is, so this is what? This is
Homogeneous differential.
homogeneous differential equation. So just we got that the term dy by dx equal to so how we solve the homogeneous differential equation? How we solve the homogeneous differential equation? We just put that capital Y is equal to, कारण की या ठिकाणी काय स्मॉल y स्मॉल x होता, बरोबर आहे. Instead of small y and small x, we can put the capital Y, because we change the variable. In terms of the small y, we change the capital Y. In terms of the small x, we change the capital X. So y equal to vx. Y equal to vx. That is capital dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So up to this, any problem? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So write down this up to this. पुढे सॉल्व करायचं, नंतर एकदम लिहिता.
हाँ सर एकदम लिहितो.
Okay, okay. So you got the term is next term capital dy by dx. Okay. So we just, instead of this capital dy by dx, we just put the value. What do we put? V plus x, v plus x, sorry, v plus वाटल्यास का आपण परत लिहू, नाही काय गरज नाही. v plus x dv by dx is equal to x plus 2y. बरोबर आहे ना. ह्या y च्या जागेवर काय पुट करणार? vx. सो x plus 2y. y म्हणजे काय? y म्हणजे काय? vx. बरोबर ना. So 2vx and 2x plus vx. खाली काय? 2x plus vx. Now just common out x. We got v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v divided by 2 plus v. Okay, just simplify. X plus dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v divided by 2 plus v minus v. Just simplify. 1 plus 2v, common LCM is 2 plus v. We got that 2v minus v square divided by 2 plus v. Just simplify. X plus dv by dx is equal to 2v, 2v get cancelled, 1 minus v square 2 plus v. So just simplify. 2 plus v divided by 1 minus v square. dv is equal to 1 upon x dx. So which is
Variable separable form.
Variable separable form.
separable form. Okay, which is a variable separable form. Just we integrate 2 plus v divided by 1 minus v square dv. Yes, integration 1 upon x dx. Okay, so how we evaluate this integration? How we evaluate this integration? How you evaluate this integration? Yes. How you
सर
evaluate?
डिनॉमिनेटर सेपरेट करायचं.
बर, पुढं
पुढं सर ती 2 अपॉन 1 मायनस व्ही स्क्वेअर होईल प्लस व्ही अपॉन 1 मायनस व्ही स्क्वेअर होतंय. मग व्ही ला ऍडजस्ट करायचं, -2 निघून यायचं, मग ती एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स डिवायडेड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स रिझल्ट ऍडजस्ट होते.
Okay, so we can find any integration by using the three results. What is three way? The first way is we use the standard result. Second way is adjustment. Third way is using the partial fraction. Okay, so from that, आता काही जण काय करतील ह्या ठिकाणी 2 ला 1 plus 1 करतील. 1 plus 1 yes तरी चालतंय. आलं लक्षात? 1 plus 1 केलं तरी चालतं. We got that 1 upon v 1 minus v square, or we write that 1 minus v square is 1 minus v 1 plus v 1 plus v get cancel. तसं केलं तरी चालतं. Depend on you how we solve this example. Okay, कसंही जर केलं तर फायनल आन्सर सेमच येतं आपलं. So we got that directly standard result. We know the standard result. Integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx. This result is 1 upon, sorry, this result is 1 upon 2a log of a plus x divided by
A minus x.
a minus x. Okay, using this result. So same we are use the result. We got the result. So we got the integration is 2 upon a is equal to 1, 2 upon 2 log of 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v minus or plus या ठिकाणी काय करणार adjust plus multiply and divided by minus 2v divided by 1 minus v square dv. So here we add the log x, and what about the next log c? Each and everywhere is got the log. So log of 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v minus 1 by 2. What is the integration? F dash of x upon f of x. We are using the integration. This
Log
integration f dash of x upon f of x
Log of f
equal
of
to
x.
log of f of x. So log of 1 minus v square is equal to log xc. This is the final answer. हे फाइनल आन्सर झालं का रे? This is the final answer. हे आन्सर फाइनल आहे का? नाही. We know the value of v, we know the value of x. Just we have put each and every value, or before you put the value, we just combine this term. Okay, just simplify, multiply by 2 on both sides. We got the 2 times log of 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v minus log of 1 minus v square 2 times log of xc. So we got the log of, just combine this term, 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v bracket square minus log of 1 minus v square is equal to log of x square and c square. We just add on just simple c. c ला काही करा 2c 3c फक्त c लिहिला तरी चालतो. Just we use the property of logarithm log of 1 plus v bracket square divided by 1 minus v bracket square into 1 minus v square into log of x square c. Take a antilog on both sides. We got that 1 plus v bracket square divided by 1 minus v bracket square into 1 minus v square x square c. Again simplify, we got that 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v bracket cube is equal to x square c. Okay, use the property of 1 a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, we got the a minus b, that is 1 minus b already bracket square. So one more term is add there. So we got the 1 minus b bracket cube. Then 1 plus v, 1 plus v, 1 plus v get cancelled. We are remaining is 1 plus v. Up to this, any problem? Hello? Up to this is any problem? Please ask me. इथपर्यंत मित्रांनो काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? हॅलो?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we put, just we write down that one more term. You just write down again that term. So what do you get that? 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v bracket cube is equal to x square c. So what is the v? Y by x. So what is the y? इथे ह्या टर्म वरून y काय निघेल रे? या टर्म वरून कॅपिटल Y काय निघेल? y काय निघेल?
Small y.
y minus k, small y minus k, and capital X काय निघेल? Small x
X
plus
minus H.
Okay, so we got that y equal to capital Y is equal to small y minus k. This implies y minus k ची व्हॅल्यू किती काढली आपण? 1. Capital X equal to small x minus h. So this implies x minus 1. So just we have put each and every value. So what do you get? The v is equal to y minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, we put each and every value. We got 1 plus y minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus y minus 1 divided by x minus 1 bracket cube is equal to x minus 1 bracket square into c. Let's simplify, cross multiply. We got that x minus 1 plus y minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole divided by, just simplification, x minus 1 minus minus multiply करना, minus y plus 1 divided by x minus 1 bracket cube, and this is x minus 1 and this term whole bracket cube. So x minus 1 bracket square c. Now just simplification. हे फक्त सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. What is simplification? हा minus 1 becomes x plus y minus 2 divided by हा काय होणार आहे? x minus y bracket cube, कारण की हा minus 1 plus 1 get cancel into इथे किती राहिला? x minus 1 bracket cube divided by x minus 1. हा वरती येणार आणि हा as it is, म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे a divided by b, c divided by c. We got that a divided by c into d divided by b. In this way calculate is equal to x minus 1 bracket square into c. Just cancel the common term. What is the remaining? What is the remaining? दिस युअर फायनल आन्सर. पहा याच्यातून एक ब्रॅकेट गेला इथे करायला एक्स मायनस वन ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि एक्स मायनस वन ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर दिस टू ब्रॅकेट आर गेट कॅन्सल जस्ट रिमेनिंग ऑन दी दिस थिंग. ओके सो दिस इज युअर फायनल आन्सर. पहा कुठे होतो आपण आणि कुठे गेलो. दिस एक्झाम्पल इज क्वाइट लेंदी. जर थेअरी पेपर जर झाला तुमचा थेरॉटिकल म्हणजे ऑफलाईन जर झाला तर हा क्वेश्चन 5 मार्काला फिक्स विचारू शकतात. हा अशा प्रकारचे किती मार्काला 5 मार्काचा. आणि ऑनलाईन जर झाला तर तर अशा प्रकारचे क्वेश्चन हे 3 ते 4 प्रकारे डिवाइड केले जातात. 3 स्टेप मध्ये डिवाइड केले जाते. म्हणजे एका क्वेश्चन वरती 3 एमसीक्यू तयार होतील. ओके ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला ग्रुपवर टाकलेलं आहे, तुमच्या व्हॉट्सअपच्या ग्रुपवर टाकलेलं आहे बरोबर ना, की बाबा कशा प्रकारे एमसीक्यू विचारलं जाते. ओके सो दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड. हॅलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
त्या पेजला कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम.
No, sir.
ओके सो जस्ट राईट डाऊन नो. ज्ञानेश्वर नंबर किती तुमचा. ज्ञानेश्वर मेत्रे रोल नंबर किती तुमचा.
Hello, sir.
रिडीम करा रिडीम.
केलं सर. रेंज मुळे काय ऐकू झालं नाही.
बरोबर ओके ओके असं.
हे निकाले घे. ते निकाले.
झालं सांगा पुढच्या पेज जाता येईल. झालंय का पुढच्या पेजला जाऊ का.
Yes, sir.
ओके बॅकला जाऊ.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir.
प्रगती कळालं का? प्रगती रोल नंबर 7.
Sir.
कळालं का?
हो.
रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम होता का तुम्ही लेट जॉईन झाला? ओके, असू द्या. झालंय का? नेक्स्ट पेज राहिले.
झालं सर.
ओके, सगळ्यांचं.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we go to the
Yes,
next
sir.
page. We go to the next page. Okay. Those who are completing that example, try to solve the next example, that is a 4x plus 3y plus 1 dx plus 3x plus 2y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. ओके, दुसरे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकतात का? हॅलो हॅलो,
ट्राय करतो सर.
okay, okay. So we stop here, try at home, okay. Answer देऊ याचं, answer देऊ. Okay, answer is just what do you say that, the simplest form. Simplify करून नंतर हे answer येणार आहे 2x square plus 3xy plus y square plus x plus y is equal to c. Simplify केल्यानंतर हे answer येतं. Okay, so just we have solved this example. Solve करा at home. Okay.